Hello, my name is Shaywin Witter, and this is my first submission, Motors and Actuators, for the Millie's Flying Fish project. So, the goal of this little assignment task is to set my fish's angle to 5 different angles. I technically have 6 in my code here, my very simple code. But the first angle is 90 degrees, which is going to be my 0 position, or my just starting position. It's much easier than 0 and 180. So I'm just going to upload this code, a little laggy there, and we can just see. It goes to 90, just there, there's 90. Now we're going to go to 150, I think? Yep. There's 150, you can see. There's 170. And there's 130. There's 70. Oops. And here is 10 degrees. So there we are. That is 5 different angles, 6 including my 0 position. And I do have the motor hooked up here, which goes around. It is a motor with only female plugs, so I couldn't plug it straight into the Arduino. So I have male plugs, male to male, that go into the 3 pin there, and the positive and negative one going to 5 volts on the Arduino, and the ground obviously going to ground. The sensors don't matter yet. Now my code, it's also quite simplistic. My servo, or the servo library, is an incredibly simple library, where I've set my servo to my servo, which is just the demo servo. And then I've got my servo attached to port 3, so that tells the code that, or that tells the Arduino that my motor is at port 3. And then we've got a 5-second delay from its perceived 0 position, and then, which is pretty much 90, and then 90, 150, 170, 130, 70, and then 10 degrees. We've got nothing in void loop because I do not want that to repeat. I just want it to run once. So, yep, that's my submission for Motors and Actuators.